Here begins the mathematical story of an unlikely friendship between a boy and a girl. And like all good math stories, it begins with a workbook. Once upon a time, in a land full of math, there lived two separate worlds, the derivatives and the integrals. Each hated the other for uncomputable reasons, and it was forbidden that the two worlds should ever intersect. In the functional land of derivatives lived a girl named Debbie Derivative. Her mother was Queen Acceleration, and the two of them lived in a splendid world where each day was a new rate. One day, while arriving about, Debbie Derivative lost her way off the tangent line on her way home and wandered onto the U subway. But alas, she realized her mistake too late and tried to leave, but there is no shortcut on the U subway. She was stuck with a problem she could not solve. Suddenly, she found herself in the land of the integrals. Coincidentally, Igor Integral, the son of Prince Position, was walking along the same path, but Debbie had to get off. Enraged by Debbie's appearance, Igor confronted her and exclaimed, "What are you doing in my land? Trespasser, I will arrest you." "What?" said Debbie. "I have derivative rights, you know." But Igor simply brushed her comment aside with, "Ha, that doesn't apply here. You're coming with me." "Keep your hands off of me." Debbie contorted and slapped Igor for being such an integral. But something mathematical happened. As it would turn out, Igor got half derived. "What did you do to me?" he yelled. He looked at his changed function in horror. "Change me back this instant." Igor then pushed Debbie. And then another mathematical miracle happened. Debbie got half integrated. They stared at each other in horror, trying to understand what had just happened. "What did you do to me? I look so weird. Change me back," Debbie exclaimed. Igor silently contemplated their sticky situation. Finally, he said, "I don't know, but keep your cool. Even though a derivative working with an integral is unheard of, we'll figure it out together." "Well, derivatives are easy. Let me show you," said Debbie. "First, you take the exponent and bring it to the front, and then you subtract 1 from that exponent. So you become 3x squared plus 3x plus 6. Debbie Derivative boldly approached Igor and derived the equation on his shirt, explaining as she went. Then Igor changed from position to velocity. He also got a sleeker hairstyle. "I love my new look," he said. "You know, integrals aren't that hard either. I can teach you." Igor then approached Debbie and showed her how to take the integral of the function on her shirt. "It's kinda cool, actually. You take the exponent value and raise it by 1. Then you multiply the entire term by 1 over that exponent value. Voila! You are now 3x squared plus 3x2. Plus c, of course." She had become transformed into velocity, just like Igor. "Wait, what is this extra plus c?" asked Debbie. "Oh," said Igor, "everyone here has those, but we don't know what to do with them. Here's mine." He showed Debbie his plus c that all integrals have. As Debbie placed her plus c closer to Igor's to compare them, they accidentally put their plus c's together and made a heart. Debbie and Igor both blushed. Debbie then said, "You know, you integrals aren't so bad after all." "Huh, it looks like I'm something different now." "Yeah, me too," said Igor. "I think it's velocity. That must be between position and acceleration." On that day, both derivative and integral realized something important. The feud between their kingdoms was harmful to the good of the calculus universe. There was a whole new realm of speed with limitless directions. They both decided that it was time to make a change and reunite their kingdoms, once and for all. As Igor bid his new friend goodbye on the U subway, both he and Debbie promised to email each other their progress, and they both rode off into the fading sunset, into bigger and brighter solutions. The end.